Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you budget friendly spring outfit idea. These clothes are from Dressin. I've featured them before on this channel. I'm going to be showing you the details of the clothes that I received. Also, I'm going to be trying them all for you all to see. We're going to jump right into it. I do not want to waste too much of your time. Black and white sweater, of course, with this button detailing at the front. Also, we have it on the side. These pockets are not functioning. They are just there for decoration. Also, the one at the bottom is also there just for decoration. It's a little bit stretchy, not that super stretchy. And this one is size small I'm wearing. They have the sizes in size small to extra large. It only comes in this design.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep.
Here is the second one. This one is called the Daisy Floral Pearl V-neck regular sleeve shorts. Sleeve, of course, you can see the design. It's really beautiful, very girly. There are pearls there. They are not open, you can't open them, they're just there for design. Very beautiful. They have it in size small to extra large. Also, they only have it in this color, which is pink. It's very stretchy. I'm wearing size small. If you're size small, I would recommend you stay to your size because they are true to sizes. Band sleeve on the sleeve. Also on this side, you can see it right there. Also, we have the band at the bottom of the top. It's really beautiful detailing, well made, well tailored. There's no thread here and there.
All night long, yeah, we dance with our razor tongues and all day long, yeah. We reset under burning sun, catching the waves, inhale, exhale. Reminisce in the bygone time, laugh till we cry, days flying by, flying by. Love on delay, push play.
So the next one I'm going to be featuring is the one that I actually have on at the beginning of this video. This one is called solid ruffle eye neck. See, is in the design of mock neck. You can also call it turtleneck, and it has this ruffle details on the sleeve. It's very stretchy at the same time too. Also, this one is I'm wearing size small. The sizes range from size small to extra large, and it only comes in this color pink. It has this cable details at the front. I will recommend layering this when you want to style it. I also have a styling video coming up after the try on all. You are going to see the many ways that I style this particular one. Like I mentioned, the sizes range from small to extra large, and it's very stretchy.
Let it roll and take you away. Love for a day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, and you go on. No love on a holiday. No love on a holiday. No love.
Ladies, if you're still watching this video up until this time, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn your notification bell so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And please do endeavor to leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know your thought about this video, and do not forget to share this video with your friends and family. You never can tell, maybe they will find it entertaining, educative, or informative. You never can tell. Here is the next one. Look at how beautiful this is. They have this one in two colors. They have the orange, also they have the pink. This one is called a solid beading v-neck wrap dress. It's really beautiful. It's a detailing. Look at that detailing. It's really amazing. It has zip at the back right here, and it's a bodycon. It's just simply beautiful. I don't even know what else to describe this dress because it is well made, and the beadings are staying where they're supposed to be. They don't feel like they're going to drop off anytime soon. They are really well made, and they have it from size small to extra large. For size reference, I'm wearing size small. I would say this one also run through to size, okay, because you can drop the neck of the dress to make it look all the way to the shoulder length, make it look like soup top. something like that, or you can bring it a little bit up. It's depending on your preference. If you go one size up, probably it will go all the way too down for you. That is what I realized. I was like, maybe I should have chosen extra small, but if I have picked extra small, it's going to be tight at the bottom for me too much, and this place will be appropriate for me. But I think small is actually good, so keep to your regular size. They have it in pink also.
Did that? Yeah, you crossed the line about 1,000 times and I did that. Yeah, I stayed a while, tried to make it right. Cigarette. No, I never smoked, but my heart is broke, explosive. Stressing for that old thing back. That initial love, all the goose.
And finally, ladies, this is the last one. This is a floral spaghetti strap dress. They have this in black, also they have it in white, which is the one I am presenting right now. They have it in size small to extra large. The rest of them are small to extra large, but this one runs just from small to extra large. So this is how this one is looking. It has this floral design on it. It's so beautiful, very springy. Yes, very springy. Is there a word like that? I don't know, but I know this is really going to be good for spring and summer. There's so many ways I can style this up and down, office appropriate, and so many stuff. I have a video that is coming up next after this just try on haul. You are going to see so many ways that I've styled all these outfits, all right, and it's going to be a sign for you to go shop them. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box in case you're interested in shopping this particular outfit I am featuring today from Dressin. It has this adjustable strap at the back. It is not lined, so you have to wear something under it, otherwise your people are going to see what you have going on under it, because the material is a little bit light. I don't know if you can see it, but I would recommend you wear something under it. Apart from that, it's really beautiful. You all know that when you wear this type of clothes, you want to wear a body shaper under it so that you can have that seamless silhouette going on. So I would recommend you look into that if you're going to purchase this. I styled this in so many ways. You're going to see it in the next video.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up for me, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt.
Alright, my ladies, I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to let me comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.